Hello, we're ready for Unit 3, Week 5, Day 3 today. We have been talking about how we get our food and the different places that it comes from and how we make it. Like we make bread out of flour and ketchup and out of tomatoes, and we make jam out of grapes and orange juice out of oranges. We've been learning about all kinds of different places that our food comes from and how we make it. So to start, we're going to reread the story, Where Does Food Come From? Where Does Food Come From? By Shelley Rotner and Gary Goss. Photographs by Shelley Rotner. Cocoa beans are seeds that grow on cocoa trees. Chocolate is made by grinding and cooking cocoa beans. Hot cocoa is made from chocolate. Here's a little caption. Did you know a chocolate candy maker is called do you remember? A chocolatier. Fancy schmancy. Apples are fruits that grow on trees. An apple can be eaten right off the tree. Apple juice is made by pressing the juice from apples. Did you know there are more than 7,000 different kinds of apples? What's your favorite kind? I like Granny Smith apples. Those are yummy. Potatoes are vegetables that grow under the ground. French fries are made by cutting up potatoes and then cooking them in hot oil. Did you know President Thomas Jefferson is given credit for introducing French fries to America? Wheat is a grain that grows in fields. Flour is often made from ground up wheat. Bread is made mostly from flour. Did you know a freight train full of 1 year's wheat crop would stretch around the world 2.5 times? Rice is a grain that grows in wet fields called paddies. Rice that you eat is made by cooking the kernels of grain. Did you know more than half the people in the world rely on rice as the main part of their meals? Corn is grain that grows on stalks in fields. Corn stalks grow cobs that are covered with corn kernels. Popcorn is made when kernels of corn are popped. Did you know there are 16 rows of kernels on each and every ear of corn? I'm going to have to count that sometime. That's pretty cool. I love popcorn. Do you like popcorn? I like buttered popcorn. Milk comes from cows or sometimes from goats. Your milk is made safe for you to drink by first heating it and then keeping it cool in a bottle or carton. Milk is the main ingredient in butter, cheese, and ice cream. Did you know cows drink a lot of water? It would be like a human drinking 500 glasses a day. Lemons are citrus fruits that grow on trees. Lemonade is made by adding water and sugar to the juice of lemons. Did you know a lemon is a type of berry? The kind of eggs you eat are laid by domestic hens, birds that live on farms. Scrambled is one way to serve eggs. People also like to eat eggs fried or poached or hard-boiled. Did you know it takes most hens about a day to produce an egg? How do you like your eggs? I like my eggs scrambled. I also like hard-boiled eggs, though. Tomatoes grow on vines. Tomato sauce is made by cooking tomatoes. So is ketchup. Did you know the largest tomato ever grown weighed more than 7 pounds? Peanuts are beans that grow in the ground. Peanut butter is made by grinding peanuts. Grapes are fruits that grow in bunches on vines. Grape jelly is made by cooking grapes. Did you know peanut butter was invented by a doctor for his elderly patients who couldn't chew? Later, because plain peanut butter on bread was so dry, jelly was added to create a new and delicious sandwich. Lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, carrots, and peppers can all grow in gardens. Salads are made by combining these and other vegetables or fruits. Did you know cucumbers, peppers, and tomatoes are actually fruits because they have seeds inside? Honey, honey is made by bees delivering the nectar of flowers to the hive. Did you know the honeybee can beat its wing more than 200 times per second? Maple syrup is made by boiling the sap that comes from the maple tree. Did you know it takes 40 gallons of sap to make 1 gallon of maple syrup? Salt comes from seawater. Did you know salt is the only rock we eat? Sugar comes from the juice of sugar canes and also from sugar beets. Did you know the average teenager eats 110 pounds of sugar a year, which is 13 tablespoons a day? That's a lot of sugar. Where does your favorite food come from? All right, so I think one of my favorite foods from this story is probably ice cream. And ice cream comes from where? How do we make ice cream? What do we use? Milk, that's right. What was your favorite food from this story and where does it come from? All right, we're going to go back. And we are talking this week about double O and U, right? And it says like in book. All right, let's tap some words. Get those lion paws out. Here we go. Good. Good. Wood. Wood. Push. Oh, I tapped that wrong. Let's do that one again. SH gets 2 fingers because it's a digraph. Push. Oh, full. All right, let's read our sentences. Read along with me. This bag is full of wool. This bag is full of wool. I see the U in full and the OO in wool. Let's read our second sentence. Are you ready? He shook his foot and waved his hand. He shook his foot and waved his hand. Do you see any OO words that say ooh? Shook and foot. Shook and foot both have the double O. And these O's say All right, we need to review our sight words for this week. Now, it's day 3, so you should be getting these down. If not, make sure that you're practicing them at home. Play memory, go fish, write them in Kool-Aid in a pan, write them with chalk outside. Have fun, but make sure you're practicing and reading these words. These are words you just gotta know. All right, here we go. Soon, work, done, by, after, every. All right, we're going to do it one more time. Are you ready? By, after, soon, work, done, every. Great job. If you need to keep practicing those, make sure you are. It's okay. All right. We need to fill in the missing words in the sentence. So we're going to use our high frequency words, after, by, done, every, soon, and work to fill in the missing blanks. He will be blank, blank. He will be done soon. He will be done soon. All right, let's read the next one. I will blank, blank. I have a snack. I will blank, blank. I have a snack. We've already used done soon, so we can't use those. I will blank, blank. I have a snack. I will work after I have a snack. Do you ever have to eat a snack before you can do your work because you're so hungry, right? It's important that we feed our body before we work. Even before you come to school, that's so important. It makes your brain ready to learn. Do you blank lunch blank day? Do you blank lunch blank day? Do you buy lunch every day? That would work. All right, I think that's it for today. You'll click the other video to listen to the story. Bye.